Whether you build your website with our AI website builder or a pre-designed template, you can easily replace the image on your website. To do this, simply click the image you want to replace and select Replace from the Edit menu. You can add a new image in 4 ways. Upload an image from your local drive. Search for a photo in the integrated stock photo library. Create a new image using the Integrated Design Studio. Select one from your image library. Let's get started by using the image library. If you want to reuse an image from the library, simply choose the image you need. Click on the resize icon and then adjust the image size. Click the checkmark button to apply the changes or the X button to cancel. Click on the Upload Photos. In the new window, click on Select a photo to upload image from your local drive, or click on Use Image Link, enter the image link, and then click Save. Go to Projects and click on Create New Project. Then select the image size on the new window. Now go to the Photo section on the left-hand panel. From there, you can either upload an image from the library or search for a stock photo. Once image is added, you can use different editing options from the left panel. You can experiment with filters, adjust the colors, and crop or rotate the image. To apply a black and white filter, go to Filters and choose Grayscale. Finally, click on the Save and Use button to replace the selected image. Click on the stock photos. In the new window, search for the type of image you want. Click on the image you like and then click on the Use Image button. You can edit its opacity, add effects, and adjust background color. If you have a grid of photos on your website, you can quickly replace one of the images. Just click on the image you want to replace and select Replace from the top to add a new image. You can also replace the banner image on your website. To do this, navigate to the right side of the image to access the Edit menu. Then select Background and click Upload. And there you have it! Now you know how to replace regular images, banner images, and one of the grid images on your website. Web.com. One stop, all done.